XREAL's Aura AR glasses are back in the news after the company revealed that more than 10,000 people have now reserved them globally. What makes that interesting is that XREAL still hasn't revealed the final price, with the company only confirming that the base model will cost no more than $1,500 before tax. But Aura is also shaping up to be more than just another pair of AR display glasses. It's built around Google's Android XR platform and brings features like Gemini, 6DoF, spatial tracking, hand tracking, and access to Android apps. So what exactly are you getting with Aura, and is it shaping up to be one of the more interesting AR glasses launching this year? Aura uses Sony Micro-OLED displays combined with XREAL's Prism optical system, an evolution of the company's older birdbath design that uses a more compact optical architecture while enabling a much wider 70-degree field of view. Each eye gets a 1920 by 1200 pixel display with refresh rates up to 120 Hz. The important part is that this is an optical see-through system, so the micro-OLEDs provide the digital image while the optics layer that image into your view of the real world rather than simply showing you a camera feed. The lenses are also electrochromic, giving users 5 levels of transparency depending on how much of the real world they want to see. For spatial tracking, the glasses have 2 world-facing cameras that enable 6DoF tracking and spatial anchoring while also supporting hand tracking. There's also a high-resolution camera in the center with a privacy LED, which can be used for AI vision experiences and capturing what you're looking at. The glasses weigh less than 95 grams, with the heavier computing hardware sitting in XREAL's separate computing puck. The puck handles the main processing using Qualcomm's Snapdragon Reality Elite platform, while the glasses themselves use XREAL's X1S spatial coprocessor, and the glasses are physically tethered to the puck through a USB-C cable, so this isn't a wireless connection between the two. The puck also houses a 4455 mAh 34.84 watt-hour battery, along with physical controls including a touchpad and fingerprint sensor. It can also work with Bluetooth keyboards, mice, and game controllers, giving you more ways to interact with the system beyond hand tracking and voice. On the software side, Aura runs Android XR, giving it access to Google Play and Android applications. That includes apps and services such as Chrome, YouTube, Google Maps, and Photos, while the platform is also getting dedicated XR experiences. Gemini is another major part of the experience. With permission, the AI can use visual context to understand what you're looking at and help you interact with the system. So instead of simply asking an assistant questions, the idea is that Gemini can understand what is happening around you and respond accordingly. Audio is also built into the experience with Bose EQ tuning, spatial audio, and a 4-microphone array. XREAL also supports prescription lens inserts, making Aura more practical for people who normally need glasses, and this isn't being positioned purely as a productivity device. XREAL has already announced entertainment and gaming experiences for the platform, including projects connected to Fallout Factions, Project Hail Mary, and Fox Sports VR. The computing puck can also connect to devices such as laptops and gaming handhelds through its USB-C DisplayPort input, giving Aura another use as a large virtual display when you don't need the full Android XR experience. XREAL has already sold out its $299 Founder Priority Pass and $99 launch credit option, while the current priority deposit is $199 and refundable. The company says Aura is expected to launch in fall 2026, so there are still a few details to come, including the exact retail price and launch date. But with more than 10,000 reservations already made, Aura clearly has people's attention. The real question now is whether XREAL can make Android XR, Gemini, and spatial computing useful enough in everyday life to make Aura feel like a genuine spatial computer rather than simply another pair of wearable display glasses.